Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka sngi kilong. Tung baji ke trok kit piat syariat tip dengan mau keruan. Sumar nongpang batsam dawai ki BSF hakishnong kaput India Bangladesh. Dawa kinong treyeng breu ban penbait renti ya kibai nong. Ban dan kam sahri pau akar hakat yar ling soin baljet. Tomentang nia pai syaki Khubor ki bakamnya. Hak step perngap arpau tarik Rymphang. Kawe ke trok kit piat kalatung baji syariat tip dengan kabadan hajan kesnong Kenyong Southwest Khasi Hills. Karkum kitelong Khubor balayo lum na kinong snong kathan tip dengan Kenyong. Laya thu ba kate ka jingja kala lengshop hak step perngap mentaka sngi. Unongnya jong kate ka kali ulaman saujur bala penkit ya u marmar sa civil hospital Shillong panyo ya ki jing sumar ki bapaka.
Yang sena kali.
Arnyonotan.
Ujai kebae na bentai.
Ki pulit yada kaput kari India Border Security Force BSF haka arpau tarik Rymphang. Kila penlong ya ka program Sima Paharis ban eksamin sumar nongpang bat sam dawai syakipad ba kiba syong hakisnong kaput India Bangladesh. Kani ka program kadai ka way na kijing tray jong ki BSF ban yarap ya ki breu kiba pang basitom kamtam ya ki kena kilong kemi bat kitemen ki kro. Hakani kasngi ki Dr. BSF kila penlong ya ki program sumar bat sam dawai hakinong pang kiba nakasnong Muktapur Jylla Khola Senkat bat lengkat. Ki Khubor balayo na ki kitem jong ki BSF ki yatho palat saus pangut na kawe kesnong bala penlong yakini ki program sumar nongpang ki pat ba kilawan banyo jingerap na ki Dr. BSF. Nalor ki dawai ki BSF kila samru ya ki tiar kitar ki ba ki breu kin pendan kam halayeng lasem. Ki borsen syar snong hakite ki snong kila penpau ke jing sngongo ya ki BSF na kabenta kini ki jingerap ya ki pat ba. Ka kenhon jo ki nong tre yeng breu. All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union ki bala ut bat dawa na ka sorkar na du kisnam 8,000 khat ar ban bu dor renti ki bai nong jongki leng bakaan haka arpau tarik Rymphang kila penbenapat ba leng ba kilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club banang penrehem ki jing dawa jongki na ka sorkar ka ba hadu menta kadang syong klikti banyarap ki jing ut jongki kinong tre yeng breu domestic workers kilong kikti kamon jong kilong yeng long sem hakani kajuk bun kam menta. Kidon kinong tre kibat tre da ki kenta, kidon kibat tre baro sisngi bat kidon kinong tre kibat sa rengkat bat kitra yeng. Kidor kimur bat tikna na kabenta ban seo bainong yakini kinong tre kimpat don bat omdon kanu kajingya da na kaliang jongkaan. Baro kijing seo bainong na kabenta kini ki kenhon nong tre la pensyong dor katkum kamon balarai jong kitra yeng. Bun sien la syamba kano Shillong kapela bat kijing siu kemi hapsu bat ki kenta ba ki tre. Kani ka kenhon kala dawa na ka sorkar banwan ra da ka an ka ban yada yaki bat deru banwan ra no da ka welfare board ka ban pet yaki jing ut jing nam jong ki nong tre ying brio. Kamtam habaki pang ki shitom habaki sha le tomet shaot bainong bat ki we ki jing e ba ki yakendo. Ya ki jing dawa joko All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union la kershan bat ai mensim lang da ka National Domestic Workers Movement jong kari India Kenang ba kini kinong tray kinyo yaki bainong bayar rengkat breu fair wages kumbasio shaki wei ki Jylla kari India.
Present here for today's conference, and also I welcome to all the union leaders of the Domestic Workers Union and the DICE member who are going to be discussed about today's conference with regards to the issues and problem of the domestic workers which are facing today. And this conference is not only conducted in Meghalaya, Shillong, it was conducted in all over India. So once again, I welcome to all of you, and now I hand over to our Vice President, NAKA.
Nakawai kapwa shakawai nilaju belong yang di conference hakaba nilaju hakakateng hijong ko movement hamina nga long kong Vice President jong ka all Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union. Debangin mo ba bonsin ba ya kakam kajongi kabangi tre himbreo ba kasarkar kan itu no yang ikum kawai na kijaikam. Nama kibapun na kiriu kathei hangni hapo sar Shillong jongi diki hajar ki long kemi kiba yamda kali kakam kabatre himbreo hakaba kipendap ya kaya kasem kajongi hakajing im kajongi kaba kipentelong kaba mana kasi. Dan ibu hakama jong sarkar kan ba bonsin gila aju kerpa ya kali kajing dawa bahkan itu ya kakam kajongi kena binyo yang kita kila jingada la bakin thau ya ka ai na ka banta kita kinong train breu ba induk dan kan yang tara jing itu ba min khamtam e hakaba dan idon haka an kamun lada mimi na ye mangi le tre shaki we pat ki yin breu ba dan yang ta ka jing shingan wala kan lam hashnong ne shaba ju shinong te kajing kam ka jongi kalong ga habangi dan ki jaka tre ne ki jaka ta ka jongi kamun ke kabangi jule kajing tre jongi kibat tre belayung breu hoy ka sarkar kala akan thuk yangi hapo ka keten jong ki lebo hinre kabang ko akan kran ne ka lomba ni kajing tre ka jongi kibat tre ing breu kamlong ki jing tre ki ba kum ki construction workers ki ba ni tre hapo ki jing i ki pai ba mo hapo ba i hinre kakam kajungi kalong shadien jong kajing khan ka bakam te hang tu hapo ke ai ka bakan ja ke ai ka bakan kam jungi nimla kan teu te nakta kadang bidang kam ya kata ka security ka ba undan kata ka jiya da bakatam nak banta jungi ki batre yang breu te pun sien hiru ngila ju summit ru ya kini ki memorandum aman bada di conference nak banta kini ki mat jindawa ki jungi nak sarkar bat hadu kadanta ni pajiyo
Kakat hiar ling sun habaljek Garu Hills ladon kam sa handriu pau akar ka jaka ban penhe kenang ba ki ling sun ki ba he kin la ban hiar ban kiu haka rukom ka basngan na ka banta ki pilot bat kinong shong ling sun ya kane ka jingdon kam jaka na ka banta kakat hiar ling sun baljek layathu do menteri ketenat transport bas nya balang dhar haba juba bahlor ka jingkeli balawanra da ka MLA ka seng TMC ka miani di Shira.
A reply from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. So, no bidder is interested to bid for this small aircraft. So now it gets stuck to that only. But anyway, we are follow up this matter very seriously to get even a smaller aircraft to operation.
Yes, pardon.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount of money spent for the construction of this airport?
Mr. Speaker, not yet because we have to acquire first the land and then DPR for the infrastructure will be made. As of now, no money has been spent because we are still yet to acquire another 6 to 8 acres of land.
Sir, what I mean to say is that since this airport which has been constructed has not been made operational, so what the total amount of money that has been spent already?
Mr. Speaker, sir, so actually for the land acquisition for the second phase is 3 crore, 1,29,000, but for the whole amount right from the day one actually is information is not with me, so I require notice for that. How much amount has been spent so far in this airport? So information is not me, Mr. Speaker, so I require notice for that.
Wa lakmen rumbui UDP ulara hayeng dorbar halor ka jing e baki nong rap kwai kia kendu kam tam e habaya dei batka jing her dor ukwai uwe na ki marap bakong san hatan riwar Kakong amprin lengdo menteri ki kampen roya karap karyang kalayat ho baka sorkar kala shembon kilat kilenti banyarap yakinong rep hakeleng ki jaka jong Khuborjylla. Kalayat ho ru baka sorkar kala mangbon ki jingarap na kabenta jong ki. Kakong amprin lengdo kam Samla pen iya kilat kilenti kumno banyarap yakinong rep kathan riwar ban kentiu yakador jong ukwai hakajubab jong ka.
Honorable Speaker, sir, it is correct that there seems to be indicators that there has been a surge or an increase in the production of areca nut in the state of Meghalaya. However, this data, sir, may be viewed from a perspective that in all likelihood, sir, in the earlier years, there have been weak application of data collection. So we see now that after the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has increased its research facilities, we are now able to give a better data information about the growing of areca nut in and around the state of Meghalaya. Number two, sir, it is a fact that areca nut growing is very productive and progressive for farmers in the state of Meghalaya. And in order to ensure that the department utilizes all this data effectively, we have placed certain interventions to further assist farmers in growing of areca nut, marketing of areca nut plantation, sir. Honorable member is correct, sir. Government now is trying to ensure that it assists farmers growing areca nut in various ways. One, sir, is the institutioning of farmer cooperatives so that farms or farmers engaged in areca nut growing collectively connect together and have common facilities in various parts of the state, sir. We now have about 46 such farmer cooperatives, and these cooperatives, sir, are being assisted in several ways. We give them various opportunities for the stocking of areca nut because the shelf life of areca nut is also very short. So we have also assisted farmers in creation of hubs where we have provided these cooperatives with sheds where they can store, stock, dry and peel these areca nut.
Uba Charles Marngar, MLA Mauhati, ulawan ra hayeng dorbar halor ka jingsar ka klam snyang hakibabun kishnong ka Jylla. Ula kerpad ka sorkar ban ai ki jingarap na kabenta ki padba ki baladu ei ya ki jingri na kani ka klam. Halor kani Menteri Ketenat Veterani ba Alexander L. Hek ula pensyai bar ulayat hu bon kilat jingada na kani ka klam na dap ai hakinong risnyang. Ki doktor na kani ketenat kilalet keleng kisnong ban hikai bat batai ki padba kumno ban sumar bat yada ya ki jingri na ki jingpang klam kisnyang ulaong.
So there's no such of the African swine flu, but there's African swine fever.
Yes.
So the question number one is the vaccinations. Vaccination is available, sir. Number two, about the deaths of the pigs. I'd just like to, in the East Khasinews, number 9, Rymphang district 760, West Garo Hill district 149, West Khasinews 48, South Garo Hill 7, and Eastern and Western Khasinews is 1. Sir. And about the third question you have asked.
Loan.
of the loan. The loan repay is just in the 8 years to repay the loans.
Okay, thank you so much for the reply. Mr. Speaker, sir, now I know from the Honorable Minister what is the problem that the department of the government cannot give compensation to the piggery farmers.
So this is, they have the component of insurance in the scheme, sir. So they don't have any compensations.
Okay. Sir, as per my information, many farmers had lost their pigs. And one piggery mission in my constituency, that is nearby my village only, NAKA village, informed me that about 90 number of pigs died. It's really a great loss to the farmers. And they keep asking me from where we will get the money to repay the loans. Will the department, may I know from the Honorable Minister, will the department will consider to give some compensation to the farmers? May I know from the Honorable Minister?
So the suggestions of the honourable member is noted, but that
I'm asking, it's not my suggestion, I'm asking, will the department have any intention to give compensation to the farmers, piggery farmers?
So we have already noted down, but only we have the components of the insurance, no compensation at present, that we already replied, sir.
One more, sir. As I have said, that it's really a great loss to our farmers, piggery farmers. I have one suggestion from my side, sir. I request the government of the day to kindly take any steps. If not in full amount, at least something is better than nothing, so that a farmer, piggery farmer, will restart the piggery farming in the state. This is my suggestion to the concerned department and to the Honorable Ministers.
So the insurance is about 4,000 rupees per pig, sir. If that farmers has lost 90 pigs, sir, they can claim the insurance, sir. It does give it 4,000 per pig, sir.
But the problem, sir, the problem that we have, see, sir, I got the information that many piggery farmers, many of them has no information for that. They don't know about all the information, especially for the insurance, that they have to, bring the pigs for the post-mortem and all. I got the information because in my constituency also, especially in Rymphang district, many piggery farmers has got no information for that. So may I request the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly take it seriously so that all the farmers, piggery farmers, will get all the information.
So while they avail the loans, all the information has been given to all the those who have already applied for the loans, those who have already availed the loans. But whatever suggestion given by the Honorable MLA, which has been noted down, sir, to get the
Menteri Keterangan Pule Putih Rakam Sangma Ulayathu Ahyeng Dorbar Haka Arpau Tarik Rymphang Baka Sorkar Kalabu Ekatong Ban Ple Kijing Pule Science and Commerce Hamau Klang College Haujileu Arhajar Arpusau Ula Ongru Haka Juba Yaka Jinkeli na Uba MB Kurba Baki Kambanshna Yakanika College Kilada Palat Nyopu R%. Kat Ban Poi Kapor Ban Ple Yakanika College Ukermen Baki Jingtei Kindablut.
Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 32. Sir A, sir, the Status of the work for construction is 72%. B, sir, 30 June 2017. C, sir, 36.55 crores. D, sir, rupees 14 crore 815 crore. 14.815 crores, sir. E, sir, June 2021, and the total amount paid is 14 crore 815 crores. F, sir, June 2024. G, sir, the class will commence after the completion of the buildings and recruitment of the faculty and the staff. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Honourable member, please. Parliamentary questions.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Minister in charge of Education for this elaborate reply on my question. So I would like to know from the Minister in charge why there's so much delay on this. Is it because of revised cost estimate and the department could not reply to the question raised by the Central Ministry? Number two, sir. Is it possible to complete this project in June 2024? As of now, there is no sign of works in the place, the site of Rymphang College. And also, you will need to provide power supply and water supply as well. To get power supply from ECL will take a lot of time, not less than 6 months. So it will not be possible for the government to complete this work by June 2024. So I would request the Honourable Minister, through you, sir, to speed up this work and to get the necessary allocation of funds from the Central Ministry so that the concerned contractors can continue with the works and this college also can start functioning, maybe, if not latest by next year academic session. With this few words, sir, I would like to request the Minister to clarify on my questions.
Speaker, sir, he has put 2-3 questions at one time, so I have to do the same, sir. Sir, the delays was for various issues and various reasons. So the earlier target was supposed to be 2020. However, sir, delay happened due to delay in handing over of the land. That was one of the issues that happened. And also, and the delay was also happened due to the delay in releasing the second installment by the ministry. And also, sir, third issue of the delay was because of COVID-19 issue. And so, as he added 2-3 questions together, I'm to do the same. So I think I'm sure, because only yesterday we have the second installment we have released to the implementing agency. So we're
Uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang VPP haka jingyatai hayeng dorbar haka arpau tarik Rymphang uloong ba ka jingyat ki kali he lengba ka surak bat jingking yam renja ka bu jingma ya ka jingking badon haka te ka than hadien balakhang shipor banyat na ka jingking dam ka badang maramot menta ulakentu ban penskam ya kani ka jingking ha renja haka jubab halor kani ka jingut usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba snya balang dhar uloong ba kadai ka jing shisha ulaya thoru ba ki senjuk ki dor barshnong kila ujor sha deputy commissioner halor kani uloong na kalyang ka sarkar kala shimkhia halor kani ka kam
shnong sha ka DC. During the past few months, as we have witnessed, repair and renovation of the main Umyam bridge is being carried out, and this led to the increase in vehicular movement from Renja passing through Maran Maukhar, Renja, Mau Setnam, Nongkolo till Mau Tawar. And this has caused annoyance to the people living in these villages. And it is understood also that the build-up girder or the Bok bridge can withstand the load of up to 9 tons, as usually seen in the signboards which are displayed in almost all semi-permanent bridges. The Bok bridge at Umrinja is very old bridge and which has probably been designed for the above load of 9 tons only. Hence, plying of heavy vehicle traffics on the bridge may affect the overall structure, and unfortunately, it may also collapse. Secondly, the road from Umden to Mausiaknam, Nongkolo up to Mautawar is still a single lane road, having pavement width of maximum 3.75 meter. Moreover, metallic and black topping of the road has been done as per state road design, that is conventional, which cannot cater to the heavy loaded vehicles. By saying this, it means that the road has been constructed taking into consideration that it will be able to withstand only for light to medium traffic. Apart from that, if we take into consideration the topography of the area where the road passes is mountainous in the stretches from Jalinshir up to Lom Mausing. Hence, heavy loaded vehicles will find it very difficult to counter the gradients while climbing up. This, added with the narrow nature of the road all along, poses great danger to the road users, for which fatal accident may occur. As of now, there has been reports that accidents are occurring frequently on the road due to increased number of vehicles. And therefore, I will request the minister in charge to kindly look into the matter, whereby we understand that because of the repair work that is being carried out in the main Omiam bridge, automatically it has led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umranja up to Mautawar. But I will also request the minister to see to it that these heavy vehicular should not pass through these villages. Otherwise, it will create a problem, it will create annoyance, and it might even lead to fatal accidents. Thank you.
May I request Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to make a reply, please.
Uba Arden Miller Basay Moit VPP, Ulakan tu ya ke sorkar haka jingkran jong hayeng dorbar, banyada ya ke jinglong tenrai jong ushen rai lakadong, kenang baki we kiri, kinomla ban tu ya ke nam bat ke tenrai jong uni umar rep bapaunam, narilum jantia.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I am grateful and thankful to the Honorable Member of Nongkrem for having raised this important matter. So Meghalaya Lakadong turmeric is one of the finest varieties of turmeric in the world and is grown exclusively in Jaintia Hills region with significant involvement of women farmers and entrepreneurs in its cultivation and processing. Over 13,000 farmers from about 124 villages covering 2,130 hectares of land are engaged in the cultivation of this miracle spice. Lakadong turmeric is considered to be one of the world's best variety of turmeric, with curcumin content up to 12%, outshining other turmeric varieties, which typically contain only 2 to 3 of curcumin. This high curcumin content enhances the health aiding and culinary attributes of lakadong turmeric, making it highly sought after in national and global markets, especially in the post-COVID era. The high curcumin content is a result of the favorable soil and climatic conditions of the region surrounding the villages and the tender care given to the crop by the farmers. Despite the immense potential, farmers face multiple challenges in terms of unavailability of planting material, inadequate infrastructure, presence of multiple intermediaries, and limited access to finance. All these led to low price realization for the farmers. To bring about positive changes in the value chain of lakadong turmeric, the government of Meghalaya launched the Mission Lakadong for a holistic value chain development. The mission supported farmers through capacity building, technology adoption, and access to remunerative markets. The intervention enabled a sustainable transition towards a more equitable and remunerative income generation option for the turmeric farmers of the state. These interventions helped the lakadong turmeric to stand out and garner much attention from all fronts, leading to high demand from both national and global markets. Taking advantage of the default organic nature of the crop and its high curcumin content, a number of market players have been making inroads into the villages of Jylla Hills to source the lakadong turmeric. However, this has led to a concerning trend of mislabeling and marketing the turmeric products from other regions and states as lakadong turmeric. Therefore, to protect the authenticity of lakadong turmeric from the Jylla Hills region of the state, the application process for geographical indication or the GI tag was initiated in the year 2019. A GI tag is a form of intellectual property which is used on goods or products that have a specific geographical location or origin and possesses quality of a reputation due to that origin. The basic objective of the GI tag is to prevent unauthorized use of a registered geographical indication. The GI tags are issued as per Geographical Indication of Goods Act of 1999 by Geographical Indication Registry under the Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade, Mission of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. After a series of hearings and clarifications, the Registrar of GI in Chennai officially awarded the GI tag number 741 to lakadong turmeric for East Jylla Hills and West Jylla Hills district on the 29th.
Pada kitu ki Khubor nglapoy sa kabakun, tarhado bangin daya syambiang kublay shibun.